The Plusquamperfekt. The Plusquamperfekt is also called the Präteritum perfect, and you will see why it's such a beautiful term for this tense. It's a past tense that helps us to express things that happened before something happened in the past. Take a look at the timeline quickly. You see that the more we move to the left into the past, we cross the perfect and the Präteritum, which are basically the same point in time. There's no difference. And beyond that, there's a Plusquamperfekt. In English you have the past perfect. In French you have the Plusquamperfekt, and in other European language you have similar forms. Yeah? So if you speak any of those, and as you speak English, you might be familiar with this idea. Now, how is it being built? Well, it's called the Präteritum perfect. That means it's based on the perfect tense, which is lovely because you know that perfect tense so well by now. Let's take a look at two examples, because in the perfect you have two possibilities. Something uses haben or sein as an auxiliary verb, a helper verb. Example number one. Ich habe die Prüfung bestanden, and you put that habe into the Präteritum. That's why it's called Präteritum perfect. It's called perfect because it consists of two elements, a helper verb and a past participle, which remains the same. So in Plusquamperfekt you would have ich hatte die Prüfung bestanden. And that's it. Now with bin. Ich bin nach Hause gekommen. And we put the bin into its Präteritum, so ich war nach Hause gekommen. Voila. Now, it is more than enough for you to be able to recognize the meaning of the Plusquamperfekt. So once you are familiar with the perfect, you will have no issue whatsoever recognizing and understanding the Plusquamperfekt. Yeah? Whether you missed that something was in the pre-past or not, I don't think that's too relevant. Of course you want to be precise, so yeah, go through the exercises, make yourself familiar with it. But it is obligatory if you use the conjunction, the pusher, nachdem. So nachdem means after doing something. Yeah, after plus a verb at the end in German. Okay, two examples with nachdem, because it's obligatory, right? So, first one with haben, second with sein. Nachdem ich die Prüfung bestanden hatte, habe ich gefeiert. And you see, nachdem tells me what happened first, and then I have a jump in time to the perfect. And you could as well use the Präteritum, but I strongly suggest that you stick to the perfect. It's just more harmonious. The second one, nachdem ich nach Hause gekommen war, habe ich Essen gekocht. Again, you first came home and then you cooked the food, which is one step higher in time. That's it. There's only one more thing. In daily language or in daily use, we often replace nachdem with als. So, als ich die Prüfung bestanden hatte, habe ich gefeiert. Als ich nach Hause gekommen war, habe ich Essen gekocht. As simple as that. Yeah? Als is always used in the past and means when. Yeah? And nachdem means after. So, you see that they are closely related. Thank you, danke für deine Aufmerksamkeit und weiterhin viel Vergnügen mit deinem Deutsch.